We'll guide you through how to upload photos to Dropbox. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Dropbox.com. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the home screen with your files and folders. To upload photos, look for the Upload button, which is usually on the right side of the screen near the top. Click on it, and you'll see options to upload files or a folder. Since we're focusing on photos, click on File As. This will open a File Explorer window on your computer. Navigate to the location where your photos are stored. You can upload multiple photos at once by holding down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac while clicking the photos you want to upload. Once you've selected your photos, click Open or Choose, depending on your system. Dropbox will start uploading your photos immediately. You'll see a progress bar indicating the upload status. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear in your Dropbox files. You can organize them into folders by clicking the NEW folder button if you wish to keep things tidy. To share your photos, hover over a photo or folder and click the Share button that appears. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with and set their permissions to view or edit if needed. Finally, click Send. Your photos are now securely stored in Dropbox, and you can access them from any device with an internet connection. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.